In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your app code in Base44. Whether you're just getting started with Base44 or you need your app code to integrate with another tool, knowing exactly where to find it will save you time and confusion. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, make sure you're logged into your Base44 account and that you're already inside the app you want to work with. You should be looking at the main interface for that specific app, not just the general account homepage. If you're not there yet, take a moment to select your app from your list of projects. Once you're in your app, look towards the top or side navigation for the option labeled Dashboard. This is usually where Base44 groups all the main controls and settings for your app. Go ahead and click on Dashboard. When you do, you'll be taken to an overview area that gives you a high-level look at your app, including things like performance, structure, or configuration, depending on how your account is set up. From this dashboard view, we're now going to move to the section where your app's code is stored. Look carefully along the navigation bar or menu inside the app dashboard for a tab or button labeled Code. The wording should be exactly code, and it may appear alongside other options like Overview, Design, or Settings depending on your layout. Click on the Code tab. This will open the workspace or editor area where Base44 exposes the underlying code or configuration for your app. After this loads, you should now see the code-related interface. In many cases, your app code, unique identifier, or configuration snippet will be visible directly in this section, or easily accessible through panels or files shown here. At this point, you've successfully navigated to the place where your app code lives in Base44. From here, you can copy the code you need, review it, or use it for integrations, debugging, or documentation. If you plan to make changes, remember to proceed carefully and, if possible, keep a backup or use version control so you can revert if something doesn't work as expected. That's all you need to do to find your app code in Base44. Open your app, go to the dashboard, and then click on Code. Follow these steps whenever you need to locate your